Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the connection and sharing, portable hotspot, and here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can change some of its settings. Here you can change its name, change its password, you can select the security protocol, you can set device identification, you can select the AP band, can hide its SSID. Here you can display the QR code to connect to your device. You can set the one-time data limit here. You can automatically turn off your hotspot when nobody is connected. You can support with 6th generation standard of Wi-Fi. You can use the USB tethering, you can use Bluetooth tethering, and here you can manage connected devices. Here you can set the limit of devices that can be connected, and you have the block list also here. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.